Hello, beautiful souls. How are you doing today? What a gorgeous day it is today. I want to, first of all, thank you all for going onto my platforms all over and saying such beautiful words about the radio show I did last night. Thank you so much for your love, your support, and I could feel the energy. I was a little bit nervous at the beginning. Then I got into it and became like a crazy man. I enjoyed it though. It was great to be able to share the information. Anyway, today's a lovely day. We're going to talk about the three most important and powerful things we can do with a crystal. Now, there is multitudes, thousands of things we can do with a crystal. It's beyond what we can do with crystals, but within these 16 years of being a crystal healer, I think these are the three most important things in my life that I've seen made a huge difference within a crystal and what we do with a crystal. So I'll take a little sip if that's okay. Thank you. And okay, let's begin. I'll take a little crystal. Here we go. So I begin the journey and with this lovely amethyst. It looks like there's some citrine in there, so ametrine. So I take this crystal and I feel the pull towards this crystal. For some reason I feel that I want this crystal. So I take the crystal, I buy the crystal, purchase it, and begin the work. The first thing I do, which is the third most important thing I do with a crystal, is I wear it when I feel down, sad, and I just want a little bit of pick me up. I want to feel it and hold it, and I want to feel the energy from it. I want to get my healing from this crystal. So whenever I'm low, whenever I feel like I need energy, whenever I feel I need to connect again, whenever I feel an urge to feel better in myself and within my energy aura, life force, chi, prana, whatever you call it, I take the crystal in my hand and I wear it. So like these crystals, I'll just simply hold them and sit for a while, maybe 2-3 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, depending on how deep I want to go, meaning how long I allow myself to be in that place of healing. As I'm feeling that energy and feeling the crystal has activated to be able to help heal the certain things within my body, that has been kind of like the third most important thing for me. So when the crystal is around my neck, if I intentionally get hold of it, or if it's in my pocket and I intentionally get hold of it and ask in a way of my body is speaking indirectly, but the crystal can hear, it's almost like my body becomes part of the crystal and it becomes a kind of battery that is recharging me in so many thousands of ways, and I can feel the energy blasting in my whole body, and I can feel the healing process, whether it's clearing my fear, whether it's bringing deep inner peace back, or a physical issue that needs healing. The crystal works in that way. So that's the third most important thing for me when I have a crystal and what I do with it. I work with it, I hold it when I feel low in energy and physical. If I feel low in the physical, that's when I hold it. So that's number 3. Number 2 is when I'm feeling really, really happy. The times when I feel I'm filled with joy for no reason, the times when I feel I've got tons of energy, I will do exactly the same thing, and I will take the crystal out and I will put it in my hand, or if it's around my neck, I will take that crystal. Again, I will close my eyes, except this time it is my turn to give back to the crystal. I am the powerful crystal now, and I am going to charge that crystal. I am going to recharge the crystal's batteries. I will put a healing memory into this crystal because I am feeling amazing. Therefore, the memory that I put into this crystal as my eyes are closed, and as I give that good energy that I feel at that particular moment back into that crystal, that is the second most important thing in the world to do with a crystal, because it relates back to number 3. If you put good energy into your crystal, when you're feeling low, the crystal gives you that very memory back, what you've put into it. So you become a charger for the crystal, and the crystal becomes a charger for you. Makes sense. These are the 2 very most powerful things in the world, what I do with my crystals, always. And finally, we go to number 1, my main reason why I have crystals, and the most important thing I do with a crystal. At any given moment, I am a vessel. I am a messenger for our beautiful spirit world. So if the crystal is in my pocket, if the crystal is around my neck, I am aware and I observe life. I listen to my higher self. And if at any given moment I feel the urge to take my crystal off and gift it to somebody with love, I do it. I do it because I know that all the love and all the healing that I've received from that crystal is now ready to be given to somebody else. What could be more beautiful than not even realizing that you are a crystal healer? That everything that you've been through in those weeks and months, or even few hours, that you have created a crystal purposely for a person that spirit brings to you, knowing that your crystal is energized and ready with the memory that it needs to heal that person. So without a second thought, I take the crystal off, or take it from my pocket, and from my heart to yours, I gift this crystal. The circle is complete. The work is done. Have a beautiful day, guys, and thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you for going to Mark Bajerski YouTube channel, Crystals as well. Thank you for always believing in me, and I hope that you really truly understand this message today, and that you share this message, and I hope you become the message. And I hope that you share crystals with so many people in this world, because you are part of the healing process of 2020 right now. And this, believe it or not, is the most important thing that I do every day. I love you all. Have a beautiful day, guys. Take care.